Oppo has launched its new affordable 5G phone under A series in India called Oppo A5x. Now let's explore the specifications of this smartphone. The Oppo A5x 5G features a tall 6.67-inch HD Plus display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate and up to 1000 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chipset, paired with Mali G57MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 4GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to another 4GB by using internal storage, and it has 128GB of UFS 2.2 storage. As per the optics, the Oppo A5x 5G sports a dual camera setup on the rear that houses a 32-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, along with the unspecified auxiliary lens. For selfies, it has 5-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.2 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 6000 mAh battery, with 45 watts wired SuperVOOC fast charging support, and it runs on Android 15, based on Color OS 15 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP65 certified for dust and splash resistance, and it is military standard 810H compliant for shock resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, IR blaster, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 165.71 by 76.24 by 7.99mm, and it weighs around 193 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Oppo A5x 5G has been priced in India at 13,999 Indian rupees, and it is said to go on sale starting from May 25th, in midnight blue and laser white color options. So, what do you guys think of this Oppo A5x 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.